Hey all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for a Anfield Road expansion update. I've been here for a while, so I start from scratch again. But yeah, the reason why I'm here, they started to work on the corner section. So I was told about this about, when was it, Tuesday? It's now Saturday. So I was told that they might start it on Monday. Right, Liverpool haven't got a game now until the 31st of March at Anfield. That's their next game, which is about 15 days away. So when they started yesterday, so that was 16 days. So that should be plenty of time to get that corner section in. I was told on Tuesday that they might start on Monday. So I was caught off guard by it. I just got a message yesterday, said they've started. Went, right, okay. Two reasons why I didn't come up. The weather wasn't great. And I wasn't great. I'm still not great. I don't feel well at all. But yeah, I'm going to have to come up and get the footage. So let's go over to this corner here, where it all is or was. Don't know how much they've got inside. Don't know how much they've got done. Let's have a look down here. Oh, there's still quite a few bits down there. So yeah, doesn't look like all that's moved at all, to be honest. But I'll get what I can now, and then if there's any changes, I'll come back. Looks like it'll be daily until it's done. So let's get over and have a look. There's a corner there. It's got a good position on it, then we'll zoom in. Oh yeah, they've well started, haven't they? Look at that. Okay. Get around here a touch. Is it just me, or is that a wall, or is that steps? It looks like a wall to me. Oh, my eyes deceiving me. So it's all going to go in here anyway. Not a lot's gone on since they started yesterday. So I'm here at, well, it's about 7:45 in the morning. The reason why, I've got work. Why people in the stands? Yeah, I've got work today. Can't say what I'll do, and I've got work tomorrow, which I can't say what I'll do. What are you doing? Having a clean up, aren't they? Why is that cordoned off? Right. And that correlates with where the cladding is there. They're not going to do that as well, are they? Right, I haven't been told about the cladding. It ain't been cordoned off here because there's cladding to be done on this side as well. Not cordoned off there. Okay. And that's quite interesting anyway. I think they might try and get the cladding done this side as well. Because, remember, I got the footage of the scoreboard in the car park. If you look at that cordon there, It looks like the sectioning off under that cladding. Okay, are they going to kill two birds with one stone in the next 15 days? Get that part of the cladding done, maybe get the scoreboard in there as well. And obviously this corner section done. Very interesting. Plenty to mull over there, guys. Comments if you know anything, let me know. I knew about the corner, I didn't know about any cladding on the underside going on. But why cordon it off? Yeah, I'm full of cold today. It's, you can probably tell my voice. But, you know, life goes on, as they say. Now, what I did think, you know what, are they going to get everything done? I thought this would get done. Before now, to be honest, I thought that would be done. I thought that would be well done by now. Because there's nothing to stop them doing that on the outside. So it's cherry picker there, isn't it? No, what is it? Oh yeah, it's cherry picker. I don't know. Is it big enough to get up there? Any clues? Any cladding anywhere? Big skip. Anything in that? Just any clues at all? Yeah, so I thought that corner section would have been done well before now. And the corner section in the summer, but I was caught off guard when I walked past that time and saw everything getting offloaded. Well, it was still on the back of the truck, wasn't it? And then the fella showed me the plans. So I was caught off guard by that, so yeah. Let's get a bit lower. I wonder if there's any clues anywhere. Because on my other videos, people have been asking about the development, and I just keep saying there's nothing to report. There really isn't. If you want me to come along and video a man sweeping the floor, then I'll do that. But the road pretty much has been done. But I've covered that in non-drone videos. Drone wise, all you're really going to get is that corner section. Sorry, that's the shoulder section and the inside corner section getting done. That's the only stuff to get with the drone really. All the stuff can be recorded on mass days, what, once a week, once a fortnight, something like that. Oh. If you don't have any questions, let me know. It was down here the other day.
Alright, buddy, I'm not going to disturb you because I know you're watching.
Oh, you're alright, mate, no worries. You okay?
I've just been out with my drone anyway.
Oh, have you, yeah?
You spotted me, but...
No, I didn't, mate. No, you're alright. Yeah.
You're, hang on, it's coming to me. I'm on mute with all this. No, it's not that one.
Not Mr. Drone.
No. Hang on. Oh, God, it's going to kill me. Pressure. So you do that and I'll try.
You want to give you the clue? It begins with 2 letters.
2 letters, brilliant.
Yeah. Right, guys, I'm going to finish up here. So, what's your name?
Mine, David, Flying Fox Photography.
Flying Fox. You've been out with Craig, haven't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, just talking with Dave here from Flying Fox Photography. So, you got a YouTube channel, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, go over and check his channel out. He's just come over and introduced himself, so yeah, check his channel out. I'll find it and I'll put a screenshot on for you, okay? No worries. Casey in Twix.
I would have got there eventually.
Eventually, yeah. Yeah. Right, guys, yeah, I'm going to finish up there. Corner section started. Possibly the shoulder section there with that crane. Cherry picker hanging around outside. But apart from that, it's quiet because it's early. I'll be back later after work. Okay? Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Comment to let me know what you think. What you think is going to happen, how long you think it's going to take them. I think it'll take them a few days, I don't know. But there's more construction-minded people out there that will correct me. And give us a thumbs up. It helps my video get out there and lets other people see it. So, apart from that, I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.